Hello, it's James. I'm back and I'm in the shop today, and I'm also outside of the shop today, turning my driveway into part of the shop since the garage is still so full of stuff. But I wanted to take a minute and go over a few things that have been going on. In my new shop, I wanted to have much better dust collection than I've had in my previous shops. And I've been using this Grizzly 2 horsepower dust collector for a long time. This one here. I don't know what model number it is. I'll put it down in the description. But I'm going to be building a router table and a miter saw station. And so I decided to buy these, cyclones and the 5-gallon buckets that go on them. And I have a separate vacuum for each tool. And I will be putting a vacuum switch in that turns on the vacuum automatically when the tool is running. But I also found at Home Depot something called a Dusttopper, all one word. And when I opened up the instructions that came with it, it showed the Dusttopper on top of a 5-gallon bucket, on top of a rigid vacuum cleaner. And to me, that's just a stroke of genius. So I went to my local big box store and I bought the fittings that normally the attachments, like the extra tubes and whatnot, would fit down here at the bottom. But I found that a 2-inch PVC converted to a 2 to 1.5 inch PVC, and then capped off with a PVC cap bolted onto this piece of plywood, made this a fantastic roll around cart. And it's, you know, my shop is going to be really small, so the real estate this takes up is very little, and all the tools store right here. So when I need to pack it up for the day, I can just put it in its spot and wheel it away. Now the best part about the Dusttopper is I just vacuumed a serious amount of sawdust created from my router table, and it all ended up in the Dusttopper, and I'm sure virtually nothing ended up in the vacuum cleaner. So to heck with ever having to clean filters anymore. But the other reason I wanted to make a video today is I got contacted by a company called Basecamp. They make all kinds of safety equipment, and they contacted me asking if I would try out one of the masks, dust masks that they make. And so I said yes, and luckily they arrived just in time for my other project, which is the making of the workbench. And today I just spent I'll put in a short video, but I spent a whole bunch of time routing the fronts of my drawers, and that created a whole lot of dust. And so it was a good time to try out their mask. So let me give you some information about that. So Basecamp is a company that got started in 2005 making safety equipment and was listed as a well-known brand by Amazon in 2020. So here is the mask that they sent me. Actually, they sent two in this package, very well packaged. They have an active charcoal filter in them, and they send extra filters. I have always been an advocate of these 3M masks, especially when I spray oil-based products and whatnot. But they're very uncomfortable. They make my nose run, they fog up my glasses, and they put lines on your face. So this one looks like it's very well made. It's let me come closer. There's the charcoal filter that's replaceable, and it's got valves that let you exhale very easily. So it's not like you're puffing inside of a mask. The nose piece is very well made, and you just put it on by slipping it over your ears, and then there's a Velcro tie in the back that lets you Velcro it together like that. Then you can adjust the nose piece, and now I could wear this all day. You can see the exhale through here. My glasses are not getting foggy. It's just a really comfortable thing to wear. I have it too tight. There we go. It's going to take a little getting used to, but I'm very impressed with it. So I'm going to use this mask whenever I'm doing power tools, creating sawing, or my lathe work. It's really comfortable. It's easy to breathe. It's also good for spraying paint or any kind of other finishes. So there will be a link to where you can get yours down in the bottom of this video. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back over and over and over again. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell that shows up to be notified when the rest of these great videos are going to be coming your way. Thanks for watching.